Hello children, my name is Kanak Rupani. I am going to teach you lesson 3, the river bank. River bank means nadi ka kinara. Now read the story. The mole had been working very hard all morning, spring cleaning his little home. Mole मतलब छछुंदर. स्प्रिंग क्लीनिंग मतलब वसंत की सफाई. जो मोल है वो सुबह से लेकर के अपने घर की सफाई कर रहा था. There were splashes of white wash all over his black fur. उसकी काली फर के ऊपर पूरे white wash की बौछार थी. His back ached and his arms were tired. उसकी पीठ दर्द कर रही थी, उसके हाथ पैर थक गए थे. It was spring in the world outside. Mole could feel the fresh air and sunshine calling to him in his dark underground burrow. Suddenly he threw his brush down. उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि ताज़ी हवा और सनशाइन उसे उस बिल के अंदर से बाहर बुला रहे हैं. वो अपना ब्रश नीचे फेंक देता है. Bother, he said. Oh, blow, he said. Hang spring cleaning. He bolted out of the house and scrambled up the steep, narrow tunnel which was his front entrance. आप लोग चित्र में देखिए, जो मोल है वो सीढ़ी से चढ़ के ऊपर की फ्रंट एंट्रेंस से वो बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करता है. He had to scrape and scratch and scrabble and screws with his little paws, muttering to himself all the time, "Up we go, up we go." वो खूब उसको खरोचता है अपने पंजों से और बोलता जाता है, "Up we go, up we go." At last, pop, his snout came out into the sunlight. ऐसा बोलते बोलते वो देखता है कि उसका स्नाउट, उसकी जो नाक है वो बाहर सनलाइट में बाहर आ जाती है. And he found himself rolling in the warm grass of a great meadow. और वो देखता है कि वो ग्रास पे आके गिर जाता है. Of a great meadow. Meadow means grassland. This is fine, he said to himself, better than whitewashing. Hello children, let us read page number 21, lesson 3. He bounded joyfully across the meadow. As he crossed the fields, he suddenly came out on the bank of a river. He bounded joyfully मतलब मोल. He had never seen one before. The water was full of life and movement, glints and gleams and sparkles, chatter and bubble. The mole trotted along beside it, fascinated until he was tired out. Mole keeps traveling farther and farther away from home across meadows and fields. जो मोल है वो अपने घर को छोड़ के हरे भरे खेतों को क्रॉस करके वो एक नदी के किनारे पहुंचता है. मोल ने आज तक एक नदी नहीं देखी थी और वो इस नदी की ब्यूटी देखकर उस पर मुग्ध हो जाता है. He sat down on the grassy bank and listened to the sound of the water. वो बैठ जाता है और पानी की आवाज़ को ध्यान से सुनता है. As he looked at the opposite bank, जब वो दूसरी ओर देखता है तो देखता है एक छोटा सा छेद है. He saw a dark hole. Something bright and small twinkled in it. It winked and he saw it was an eye. Then a small face appeared. Something on the opposite river bank catches Mole's eye and he discerns a small hole just above the water line. He wonders about living in that hole. वो सोचता है कि काश वो वहाँ पर रहता. वाटर लाइन के ऊपर उसको एक छोटा सा छेद दिखता है. But then water rat pops out. लेकिन उसमें से क्या निकलता है? Water rat. A brown little face with whiskers, small neat ears and thick silky hair. It was the water rat. Water rat कैसा दिख रहा था? Brown little face था, उसकी मूछें थी, छोटे छोटे कान थे और thick silky hair. It was the water rat. वो कौन था? Water rat. The animals stood and looked at each other. Hello, mole, said the water rat. Hello, rat, said the mole. Would you like to come over? How can I get to you, said mole, not knowing the ways of the river. Being a friendly animal, Rat brings his personal rowboat to Mole and invites him for a picnic on the river. Mole is excited, having never been in a boat, and joins Rat down the stream to a small clearing. Now they become friendly. They become friends, both Rat and Mole. The Rat stooped down and unfastened a rope. वो एक रस्सी खींचता है और एक ब्लू एंड वाइट कलर की बोट को वहाँ से खींचता है. जस्ट द साइज ऑफ टू एनिमल्स, उसमें 2 जानवर बैठ सकते थे. He rowed across and gave Mole his paw to step down timidly into it. वो नाव चलाता है और अपना पंजा देता है मोल को कि वो उसके पंजे पे चढ़ के बोट के अंदर आ जाए. The two animals made friends at once. Ratty was very surprised to hear that Mole had never been in a boat before. दोनों एनिमल्स फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं और जो वाटर रैट था उसको बहुत अचंभा होता है कि मोल आज तक कभी बोट पे नहीं चढ़ा था. There is nothing half so much worth doing, he told Mole, as simply messing about in boats.